My name is Doherty Pierre Paul. I am the lead pastor of Haiti Transformation Church, and I was born and raised in Haiti. I came to the United States when I was 16. My mother came here in 1994 in Austin, and the journey was very challenging. And she's sailing on a boat with two kids. And my youngest sister at the time was 3, and my younger brother was 3.5 months. And but that was God's plan. She landed in Guantanamo Bay, and that became the journey of how we got here and applied for the process. And after a couple of years, we granted the refugee status, and that's how I got here. As a Haitian immigrant, I believe there's no greater time to come together and seek the Lord. One thing that I believe our community here, the Haitian community, we struggle with. We never had any community where the next generation felt like they've really been embraced. And as a matter of fact, unfortunately, we lost 2 young people in our community. The one was 17, the other one, obviously my brother, got shot in 2022. That was the pinnacle of saying, hey, God says, hey, you got to step in. But fast forward, I trust the call and step in and says, God, hey, what do I need to do? And I believe looking back and how we started from humble beginning, now where we able to connect and at a particular level building community every Sunday. That's amazing. But not only that, I believe the next generation is so important to us, particularly as immigrant, because they have something in them they don't even realize. So our goal at Haiti Transformation is to help them see that, but also how they can practically live the gospel every day where they go, if they're at school, whatever God placed them to be, to shine for the Lord.